Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This is a quick demonstration for our viewers with regard to power reading and not taking our daily dopamine rush from artificial means. Rather than resorting to artificial means like television, computer games, mobile phones, we can have that dopamine rush from reading. So what you must do is firstly disconnect yourself from all those distractions, including human beings. If people are around you, you must isolate yourself in order to read a book very quickly. Power reading is finishing a book, popular reads, not textbooks or reading books which are for specialists. This is especially for power reading of popular works. So our first recommendation was John Pilger's The New Rulers of the World. This book can be read within 1 week. How you do this is firstly you place the book on some cushions, for instance, or anything which props the book up in order that you do not strain your back and your neck. So if you do not have the cushion and you hold a book like this, the muscles can become strained, and likewise the neck can become strained. So place the book, prop the book up on a stand or on some cushions, and then read the book while relaxing. It's also important that you have had sufficient amount of sleep the night before in order that your mind can concentrate. You allocate some time, as much time as you can, for the reading. So some people may be able to allocate 20 minutes a day, some people 40 minutes, some people an hour. You make slots in the day, so in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, whenever possible. But if you are able to allocate 3 hours a day, that is excellent. What you do then is you concentrate on the reading. So now you are in your isolated location, in isolation, you are reading and concentrating on the book. The power reading method is what? Reading from line to line. And what will happen to new readers initially, they may lose concentration. Once you have unplugged yourself from television or computer games, your mind will feel boredom because of the lack of dopamine. But when you reach rock bottom in boredom, the books will fulfill that dopamine rush. You will feel the dopamine rush from reading. So the reading will replace your addiction to computer games, to television and whatnot. So when you are concentrating, you may feel also that certain words you are unfamiliar with. So what you do is you make a note of those words. Later you resort to a dictionary, you check in the dictionary the meaning of the word, and then you may also write the word in Google, the correct pronunciation of the word. So many of us may read words in books, but because we do not use those words, utilize those words in common parlance, we may not be able to pronounce those words correctly. This is a common problem, but how you resolve that is check in Google, how to pronounce the word correctly. So then when you finish your daily amount of reading, you may surprise yourself. You may have read 1/5 of the book. You may have read 1/6 of the book. Like this, when you do this for 6 days, you would have finished an entire book within 6 to 7 days. Now, while you are reading and concentrating, you take a pen for any points that you may want to refer back to. You make a note in the inside cover. You make a note regarding anything you found interesting, and then you place the page number. This will help you later when you refer back to the book for anything interesting or for reference purposes. But remember, this method works especially for popular reads, for textbooks, and for specialist reading. There is a different method. Maybe we can cover that in some other video. The book club video for the work recommended, John Pilger's work, will be released on the 10th of December, Thursday the 10th of December. And book number 2 has also been selected, which is Confessions of an Economic Hitman by John Perkins. This is the book. You can get this book from Amazon and other booksellers. Inshallah, apply this power reading method. And this power reading method is something that as time goes by, you will realize that you are finishing books quicker and at a faster pace. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to enable us to do so. Walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.